Okay, so what I'm about to do is a pretty simple task for most woodworkers, but I just want to run through the steps that we do for painted face frame cabinets. So I went out and got these 4 1x8x8s of poplar, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut them down to 2 1/4, and then we'll take those pieces, we'll run them through the planer, and just kind of showing you the process today. So now this is why we plane these guys, because you see these burns the wood a little bit and also has a little raised. You can see stuff like that. And we want that to be flat and smooth for when these get painted, obviously, as face frames. Okay, so before we get started with planing, we got to go turn on that big guy, our dust collector. So let's go get that turned on, get this puppy fired up, and start planing some wood. So to you guys, that was like probably 20 seconds. I don't know how long this process is usually. But for me, that was probably 10 minutes, maybe less than that. But we got perfect 2 inches, and the edges are so smooth. Let me just show you. Oh yeah, beautiful. No imperfections on one of those. Beautiful. So now we got some lumber for our face frames, and see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Or don't. Oh, one more thing. If you guys have a video idea that you guys want to see us do involving woodworking, obviously, drop a comment below of what you want us to do, within reason, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Within reason.